Have you ever wondered about the unique cheese that doesn't melt and is a staple in many Indian dishes? Today, we're diving deep into the world of paneer, exploring what makes it so special. Paneer is a non-aged, non-melting soft cheese made by curdling milk with an acid like lemon juice or citric acid. It's predominantly used in North Indian dishes and has become popular throughout India due to its versatility. Unlike cottage cheese, paneer is firm and does not melt when cooked. This makes it ideal for cooking methods like grilling or frying without losing its shape. Paneer is higher in fat than cottage cheese because it's made from whole milk. This gives paneer a dense, crumbly texture and a mild, milky taste that complements diverse dishes. While cottage cheese is creamier with a lumpy texture, paneer's firmness makes it perfect for curries and other Indian recipes. These differences mean they are not interchangeable in recipes. The versatility of paneer allows it to be used in both savory dishes like saag paneer or palak paneer and even sweet desserts like ras malai. This makes it a staple ingredient in many Indian homes. In summary, paneer is a unique, non-melting cheese with a firm texture and mild taste that makes it a versatile ingredient in both traditional and modern Indian cuisine. So there you have it. Paneer is more than just cheese. It's an integral part of Indian culinary culture. What dishes would you like to learn how to cook with paneer? Let me know in the comments.